today with the neutral border dispute result from HBDRF, after we have received a complaint or a report from two individuals of our Khasi from Block 1. I will not like to mention their name here. That on the 6th of June 2025, at a place known as Yao Umpoviang or Yao Meni, a weekly market there at Meni. It is maybe 2 kilometers from Kanduli market. So these two peoples from other community, Karbi community, named as Agustin Hanse, he was from Rongpongbong village, and one known as member of the Karbi Student Association KSE. They dragged our people, as I have mentioned, two Khasi people there, and they threatened our Khasi people to drag them to Hamren police station. They blame that one person from our community was the leader as the convener, who influenced, who convinced the people there to attend the rally of the HBDRF here at Juai on the 3rd of May 2025. And beside this, these two Karbi people, threaten and intimidate our Khasi Pnar people. And they force them, if anybody come to ask them whether you the Khasi Pnar, you like to be in the states of Meghalaya or in the states of Assam, they force them to give a reason that the Khasi Pnar people there have their willingness, have their will to be within the Karbi Anglong Assam. And also, they force our people to register their land to the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council. Not only for our local people there, but also even from the villagers of Meghalaya to the nearby village, from Lapangap, from Kanduli, and so on, who have their plots of land to the Karbi Anglong Assam as they claim. So therefore, this is also, we the forum, we are not accept. Because till today, this area was under dispute. Neither belong to Assam or Meghalaya. So therefore, as we have seen, two chief ministers of Assam and Meghalaya from time to time have had a meeting to settle this border issue. But unfortunately, these Karbi people totally claim they are powerful as this part of land are totally belong to them. But and also they threaten and they warns our Khasi Pnar people not to attend any public meeting, any public gathering, or having any conversation with the Khasi Pnar people of Meghalaya. They must not attend any meeting, any public gathering regarding with this matter of border issue. And also, from time to time, we have been reported several times. But for those and that, we don't like to mention. But when we receive a complaint for the statesman of this genuine person, he was one of this Agustin Hanse was one of the well-known people, person there. And he also as the chairman of the Soching Amreng Border Development Committee, as I have informed. So therefore, we take serious on this matter that they will take any bad action, they will harass and they will insult to our people there. Therefore, we have met with our authority, DC of the West Jaintia and the SP of West Jaintia. And today, after the meeting with the SP, he assured us that he will discuss with the Assam counterpart so that peace and tranquility and any happen will not be there to our people there. And this is also my message to our Karbi brother and sister, especially for those who live between the village of Labang Nangplut and West Jaintia district, as Meni, as Tapat, Lakeroy, Umkermi, Mokoilum, and so on. I would like to urge them to live peacefully. We are all tribals. So therefore, I would like to urge them not to create any communal feeling, any misunderstanding between us. And I would like to say that we know, you the Karbi also you know, and the whole India know that pre-independence, before 1951, this is our part of land. Labang ng Pulo Dollarship is one of the oldest ilaka in the Jowai. But unfortunately, after independence, when we came our country, and in the times of the creation of the district council for the tribal area, so the then Assam government forcibly take it this part of land from the then Jowai civil subdivision and forcefully included into the United Kachar Mikir Hills, the dense United Kachar Mikir Hills, now Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council. So from that time, they Karbi claim our part of land as their constitutional boundary. But after a long struggle of our forefather, they brought many complaints to the then Assam government and even to the government of India. After that, the then Assam government issued more notification in 1955, in 1956, and 1957. And also the then Assam government directed the two district council in those time, United Khasi Jente Hills and United Kachar Mikir Hills, to join, to help, to conduct a joint survey for the purpose of transfer of Block 1 and Block 2 to the United Khasi and Jente Hills in those time, now the states of Meghalaya. So, according with that government order, government notification, both of the district council has conducted a joint survey in 1958, and both of the official from the respective district council has been conduct a joint survey on the 17th of Feb to 23rd of Feb 1958 from Rompong to Jirikende, and they have been submitted their report according with the direction from the Assam government notification and put up to their respective district council in those time. But unfortunately, what I have to say, when the Meghalaya fight for its statehood, and in those time the Karbi also joined with us. So these issues are still pending. But when Meghalaya attained its statehood in 1970, 1972, so this matter and this subject, this border issue, become interstate border, not inter-district council border as long as before. So therefore, after Meghalaya attained its statehood, so from time to time, both of the two governments, Assam and Meghalaya, had a discussion to settle this long pending border issue, and especially to retransfer back of Block 1 and Block 2 from Assam to the states of Meghalaya. Therefore, Karbi brother and sister, I would like to inform you, I would like to urge you, we have our right as Indian citizen to demand according with the constitution and also according with this Assam government notification, we have our right to demand that our part of land must be included, must be retransferred, must be reunited to the mainland of our forefather within the states of Meghalaya on this border settlement which was going on both of the two states. Therefore, you have no right to stop us, no right to blame us on this issue because we have our right. And last and finally, I would like to say that please maintain peace and tranquility. Let us fight our right abiding with the law. If the government decide that Block 1 will remain in Assam, we will be within the state of Assam. And if the two government retransfer this part of land to the state of Meghalaya, you the Karbi also, you must be included in the state of Meghalaya if you want to live in your own place as long as now.